From New in Germany, your honest guide to life here. Many newcomers are surprised by how much is deducted for the German statutory pension, the Rentenversicherung. But don't be fooled into thinking you're set for life. This system only replaces about 48% of your last net salary. To avoid the dreaded Rentenlücke or pension gap and live comfortably in retirement, you need to understand the other two pillars of the German system: company and private pensions. First, your employer's company pension, called Betriebliche Altersvorsorge or bAV. By law, you have a right to it if you earn above the minijob threshold. Most employers use a Direktversicherung. This is where a portion of your gross salary, before taxes and social deductions, is diverted into the pension plan. This salary conversion, or Entgeltumwandlung, is powerful. For every €100 you put in, your net pay might only drop by €50 because the state effectively subsidizes the other half. Crucially, your employer must add a 15% top-up, a Zuschuss, to your contribution. This is free money. Make sure it shows up on your payslip. Second, consider a Riester-Rente, especially if you have children. The state practically pays you to save. You get a basic allowance, a Grundzulage of €175 per year. For children born before 2008, you get an additional €185. And for those born in 2008 or later, it's €300 per child. To get the full subsidy, you generally need to contribute 4% of your previous year's gross pensionable income, up to €2,100 annually, minus the subsidies you receive. Finally, a crucial point for expats: leaving Germany. If you move to a non-EU country, the German tax office, the Finanzamt, will demand repayment of all Riester subsidies and tax deductions you received. This clawback can be substantial. Always notify the Zentrale Zulagenstelle für Altersvermögen, or ZFA, of your departure. Before cancelling your